In this lesson, I'll show you how to use the YouTube Manager to manage multiple channels inside our app. To get started, open the app and go straight to YouTube Manager. From here, click Add Google Account to begin the setup. A dialog will appear with clear step-by-step instructions. First, click the provided link to open it in your browser. Before continuing, make sure you're logged into the Google account connected to your YouTube channel. Once you're logged in, go to API and Services. Next, click Enable APIs and Services. This will take you to the API library. In the search bar, type YouTube Data API. Then select YouTube Data API v3 and turn it on. After the API is enabled, click Manage. Now move to the Credentials section. Here you'll create a new credential. Choose OAuth Client ID as the credential type. When asked for the application type, select Desktop App. Give it a name so you can recognize it later. Then click Create. A pop-up will appear with your credential details. From this pop-up, download the JSON file. This file contains the credentials for your YouTube account. Once the file is downloaded, return to the app. Select the JSON file you just saved. Give this account a name inside the app. Then confirm to continue. At this point, your browser will open again. You'll be asked to authorize access. Simply log into your Google account. Then confirm that you want to grant permission to the desktop app. This allows the app to manage your YouTube channel securely. After authorization is complete, return to the app. You'll now see your YouTube channel successfully added. From here you can manage everything in one place. You can browse all your videos. You can view detailed stats and analytics. You can open individual videos, or delete videos if needed. When you're ready to upload new content, click Upload. You can upload a video immediately, or, if you prefer, you can schedule it for later. One important note about thumbnails. To auto-set thumbnails, your channel must be phone verified. Simply go to this verification link to verify your phone number. Once your phone number is verified, this feature will be unlocked. Now let's schedule a video upload to our channel. First, we'll select your video file. Then we'll add the title, description, and tags. Finally, we'll enable scheduling. The video will automatically be set to private mode, and once the scheduled time is reached, it will be published automatically in public mode. We'll choose the date and time for publishing, for example, setting it to go public in about 1 minute. After everything is set, click OK. The app will schedule the video for you. You'll see a confirmation message in the log. Until the scheduled time, the video will remain private. When the scheduled time arrives, the video will automatically switch to public. No manual action is required. And that's it. Simple, fast, and fully automated YouTube management, all inside one app.